Tired of struggling with outdated, bulky camping equipment? These 15 revolutionary outdoor gadgets will transform your wilderness experience by cutting weight, enhancing safety, and adding game-changing convenience to your adventures. We've tested these innovations in extreme conditions, so you know exactly what works when it matters most. Let's dive in. First up is lighting, because nothing ruins a camping trip faster than fumbling in the dark. The Petzl Actik Core headlamp redefines what a headlamp can do. With its powerful 450 lumen output, USB-C fast charging, and intelligent reactive lighting technology, this isn't just illumination, it's a survival essential. The magic happens with its automatic brightness adjustment that senses when you're looking at nearby objects, preserving battery life without you lifting a finger. The included red night vision mode maintains your natural night sight while preventing that awkward moment when you blind your tent mates at 2 a.m. But why stop at functional lighting when you can have ambiance? The BioLite AlpenGlow 500 lantern brings mood lighting to the backcountry. This isn't your grandfather's camping lantern with customizable color options from practical white to cozy amber to party-ready rainbow modes. It sets the perfect vibe whether you're cooking dinner or telling ghost stories. The built-in 5,200 mAh power bank means you can charge your phone while lighting your entire campsite, a true multitasker that earns its place in your pack. For ultimate reliability, the LuminAID PackLite Max solar lantern can't be beaten. After just 7 hours of solar charging, this inflatable wonder provides up to 50 hours of steady light. We put it through brutal testing, including complete submersion in a rushing river for over an hour, and it kept shining without missing a beat. When weight and space are at a premium, this collapsible lantern that packs completely flat might just save your trip. Now let's talk about where you'll spend your nights. The Tentsile connected tree tent revolutionizes outdoor sleeping by combining the best features of a hammock and traditional tent. Imagine waking up suspended between trees with panoramic views while being completely protected from bugs and weather. Despite its innovative design, setup takes just 15 minutes, and its 10,000 millimeter waterproof rating handled the heaviest rains we could throw at it. Fair warning, after experiencing this floating shelter, you might never want to sleep on the ground again. For more traditional campers, the Naturehike Ultralight sleeping bag delivers exceptional warmth without the bulk. At just 1.8 pounds and packing down smaller than a water bottle, this sleeping bag uses premium 20D nylon and hydrophobic down to keep you comfortable in temperatures as low as 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The special coating actively repels morning dew and light moisture, ensuring you stay dry when nature gets damp. No campsite is complete without the Rumpl Puffy blanket, the ultimate in outdoor comfort. Constructed with 800 fill power recycled down in a durable water-resistant shell, this marvel of engineering stuffs into its own pocket, yet unfolds into a generous queen-sized cocoon of warmth. During testing, we deliberately spilled coffee on it, just to watch the liquid beat up and roll right off. Whether you're lounging by the fire or stargazing, this blanket becomes instant trip luxury. Power in the wilderness used to mean heavy generators or dead batteries. The Goal Zero. Yeti 500X changes everything with its massive 505 watt-hour capacity and solar charging capability. This portable power station kept our test mini fridge running for 8 continuous hours and could charge a smartphone 28 times on a single charge. After a full week of off-grid use powering lights, devices, and small appliances, it still had 40% capacity, remaining a true game changer for extended backcountry stays. For serious adventurers, the Garmin inReach Mini 2 satellite communicator is quite possibly the most important $400 you'll ever spend. When we triggered the SOS function from a complete dead zone, rescue coordinates were transmitted via satellite in just 47 seconds. With two-way messaging, weather forecasts, and location tracking, this compact device provides peace of mind that's priceless when you're miles from civilization. Water purification gets smarter with the Sawyer squeeze water filter system. We dramatically tested it by drinking directly from a muddy puddle with zero ill effects. It removes 99.9999% of bacteria and protozoa. The genius design requires no pumping or batteries, fits in your pocket, and will filter an astonishing 100,000 gallons enough clean water for a decade of adventures at just pennies per gallon. Camp cooking reaches new heights with the Jetboil Flash cooking system. This compact marvel boils water in just 90 seconds faster than you can complain about your coffee craving. The push-button igniter proved completely reliable even after we left it frozen overnight. When speed and efficiency matter most at high altitude or in bad weather, this could be your most valued piece of gear. Food storage gets serious with the BearVault BV500. This transparent, bear-resistant container survived 24 hours of determined grizzly attention during Yellowstone testing while keeping our snacks completely secure. The polycarbonate construction frustrates clever paws while letting you quickly spot what's inside. No more rummaging through dark bags. The Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set combines cooking and dining in one brilliant nested package. The stainless steel construction stood up to direct campfire flames, while the insulated cups kept coffee hot for 2 full hours. Perfect for those early morning summit pushes when every minute of sleep counts. For survival situations, the Gerber Ultimate Survival Knife packs an incredible array of functions into one rugged tool. We use the hammer pommel to break ice for water, the integrated ferro rod started fires even in pouring rain, and the emergency whistle carried clearly over 2 miles to alert rescuers. This is the knife you want when things go wrong. The VSSL Camp Supplies. Kit condenses essential survival gear into a soda can-sized package. During testing, we used the included wire saw to construct an emergency shelter in just 30 minutes. When space is limited but preparedness is crucial, this kit delivers remarkable capability in a tiny package. Finally, UCO Stormproof Matches redefine reliability. As a joke, we lit one underwater during testing, and it worked perfectly. These windproof and waterproof matches should be in every emergency kit, glove compartment, and camping supply box. From solar-powered lighting, to bear-proof food storage, to satellite-connected safety, these 15 gadgets represent the absolute best in modern outdoor technology. But remember, the fanciest gear in the world won't create adventures for you. The real magic happens when you take these tools into the wild and create your own stories. Which of these innovations will you take on your next expedition?